Hey guys, I'm Coach Gavin, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a side flip. The side flip is going to look like this.
The first step in doing a side flip is the takeoff. For this, you want to really extend your legs through your feet and your knees as far as you can. Then, you're going to be getting the rotation. For the rotation, you want to really throw your back arm behind you, as you can see in the video here. So you get a lot of rotation from that arm throwing you around and then bringing your legs back up to get that tuck. For the tuck, you're going to want to choose whether you want to grab over like that or under like this. It's really just a personal choice, so you have to choose wisely. And then we can take it to the ground, just like that.
Thanks for watching this far into the video.